JSBS at 26th Xiamen Stone Fair. Exhibitions reach booth and start to install. Skilled hands begin assembling the fireplace. Artisans fit marble components perfectly together. No machines, only traditional hand craftsmanship. Leveling and aligning for flawless final presentation. Every joint sealed with expert technique. Intricate carvings revealed during final assembly. Ready to shine at the show. Exquisite carvings showcase our master craftsmanship. Every floral detail tells a story. Precision chiseling creates timeless beauty. A showcase of our finest carving skills. Who visits to see master craftsmanship? Guests admire every chiseled detail. Together we celebrate sculptural excellence. Ready to see your vision carved in stone?